Hey there everyone, today we are here at the Magic Kingdom for some special 4th of July fireworks known as the Celebrate America Fireworks Spectacular. That is going to be happening at 9:20. Also, I was thinking about doing some rides, seeing how the crowds are, and just having a great evening here at Disney World. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. And we are now here at the Magic Kingdom where tonight I was thinking about watching the Celebrate America Fireworks Spectacular. Now, Celebrate America Fireworks Spectacular is a fireworks show that celebrates America and it happens on July 3rd and 4th, where there's going to be showings each at 9:20 at night. And throughout the next 2 days, there's going to be the special Celebrate America Fireworks Spectacular happening tonight and tomorrow. There's also going to be the Epcot Forever Fireworks Spectacular with the Heartbeat of Freedom firework tag happening tomorrow at Epcot, where that only happens once per year, and that's going to be happening only tomorrow. And then today, I was thinking we would do the Hall of Presidents. I had never done that before. I was also thinking about doing the Carousel Progress, something I haven't done in a long time. But before we actually get on our plan, let's actually check out the flag retreats. We are now here at the Hall of Presidents. This is a show I haven't done ever. This is my first time doing it, so since it is going to be 4th of July tomorrow, let's go ahead and head inside the Hall of Presidents.
This program is dedicated to the memory of Walt Disney. In 1971, his love for America inspired the creation of the Hall of Presidents, a place to celebrate the optimism and goodwill he saw at the heart of the American story.
Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation. Conceived in liberty, it is rather for us to be here dedicated to the great task remaining before us, that from these honored dead, we take increased devotion to that cause for which they gave the last full measure of devotion. That we here highly resolve that these dead shall not have died in vain, that this nation, under God, shall have a new birth of freedom.
Our presidency is no longer just an idea. It is an idea with a proud history. Ladies and gentlemen, the presidents of the United States of America. And now we come to the present. Once again, we place our trust in the idea of a president, as we have from the beginning.
I, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States, and I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
A new idea our presidents have turned into a great American idea again and again.
We just got out of the Hall of Presidents, and it's okay. I don't think I would do this again, although I thought I'd do this only because I haven't done it before, and it is also 4th of July weekend, so why not? As of right now, let's go ahead and see what else we can do in the meantime. And we are now here in the hub where on the castle, there is the July 4th celebration DJ booth where they have some lighting equipment happening over there, and even the DJ table where I don't know when that will be, but we'll see. We're actually gonna have to hurry up to Carousel Progress because we have 30 minutes actually before we should realistically head over back here and watch the fireworks. Unfortunately, it also looks like it is about to rain soon. And now, my plan is this. Head over to Carousel of Progress, make our way back to the hub, wait until the fireworks. Then afterwards, I do know there's going to be some DJs as well. So that'll be pretty interesting to see. Hopefully the fireworks don't get delayed. And as of right now, let's go ahead and head over to the Carousel of Progress.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. You're in for a real treat. The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it. He thought it would be fun to watch the American family go through the 20th century, experiencing all the new wonders as they came. And he put them together in a show called Carousel of Progress, which we are now about to see. Although our Carousel family has experienced a few changes over the years, our show still revolves around the same theme, and that's progress. May the century begin.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
You know that pilot fella, Charles Lindbergh? He's about to fly a single-wing airplane all the way across the Atlantic. He's never gonna make it. Sarah's Ladies Club is responsible for our town's 4th of July celebration tonight. She's got us all roped into performing in their program.
And I've decided we're going as George and Martha Washington, dear.
Oh, the father of our country.
And guess who volunteered to choose the music for the program?
I did, Pop. Listen to this.
Uncle Orville's taken over the coolest spot in the house, of course, and he's rigged up a real clever contraption. He calls it air cooling. Too bad he's not reading the help wanted ads.
No privacy at all around this place.
Sorry, Orville. Well, it's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Everything is better than ever now. And we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. And thanks to our automatic dishwasher, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll together.
It's a dream come true for you and me.
Just a dream away.
Isn't it a pleasant holiday? Oh, turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. Shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
And we are now out front of the Carousel Progress. I will admit, I think it is a bit dated, although the Carousel Progress still remains to be one of those rides, or sorry, one of those shows that I think is a classic. And this is definitely a show that I would do again. And it also has some good AC in here. So I think with the Carousel Progress, it was definitely worth the stop here. I think right now, we've done the Carousel Progress, we did the Hall of Presidents. Now, let's go ahead and head back to the hub so we can watch Celebrate America Fireworks Spectacular. As I think I might have messed up. Look how many people there are. This is the difference between 30 minutes ago and now. So, let's get our spot now, maybe.
Come on, let's get a good look at the Magic Kingdom out here. If you guys want some more on the inside, make some noise out there. All right, let's go. We got the Tomorrowland. They sound good. They look good out there. Everybody over here. Stars and stripes, ties, and light, and the dress looking good. And of course, it's Bald Eagle out there.
It is now 8:55 p.m. and right now Main Street is officially full for tonight, and the only places you can watch the fireworks are in Tomorrowland, Fantasyland, or in Frontierland. We'll see fireworks and hopefully there's no delays.
Proudly present Disney's Celebrate America, a 4th of July concert in the sky. This very special presentation can be viewed throughout the Magic Kingdom. Once again, Disney's Celebrate America, a 4th of July concert in the sky will begin in just 10 minutes.
And that is going to be it for tonight. We had an incredible pre-4th of July day here at the Magic Kingdom. We saw some amazing fireworks. We checked out a few rides and had a great evening here at the Magic Kingdom. So until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.